spicy ones, where the heat brings out the truth. Now we're here joined with Voltaire and Mr. Fig. How are you guys doing today?
Pretty good. I survived.
Pretty good. Yep. Sounds a bit nervous, but that's all right.
Extremely.
We're nervous too.
Yeah, I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie.
Basically, we're gonna be eating some super hot spicy chicken wings and asking some truths, asking some questions, and see how you guys respond. Now let's get on in first with it. What we got today in for that first chicken
For our
wing?
first sauce, we're going mild. We're going Cholula hot sauce. It's just gonna open the day with us.
Cholula's mild. Come on.
So for my first question, I would like to know, what career would you have liked to have pursued had you not become a teacher?
I don't cook as much, but when I do, I kind of enjoy cooking it. Cooking a lot. I think I'd be a chef. Well, like a traveling chef, kind of like an Anthony Bourdain, Gordon Ramsay type of chef.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
No reservations.
Go and experience different cultures, different countries. Oh God, that'd be awesome, man.
I love money, like a lot of it. The more the better, to be honest. So I wouldn't mind being an accountant personally. Just work some early hours, deal with stacks of money, and just being able to see crazy amounts of money on paper.
Show me the money! Show me the money!
Now we're stepping it up a bit with Dave's temporary insanity sauce.
You gotta use the teeth.
Okay.
Let's get in.
Oh, that ain't bad.
It ain't good.
That ain't bad.
It does have a little,
I don't feel much.
you feel,
So for my question,
I'm gonna stick to culture, man. If we could go together to any country in the world, travel together, which one would it be, man? Where would you want to go with Fig, man?
With Fig.
Yeah. Where would you want to go? Where do you want to see us at, man? Like,
I'm gonna be honest, if we went to prison, I feel like we'd be them boys. You know that? We'd be them boys. We could get both sides together, we'd be smooth. Oh, hell. My mouth is drooling.
Aiden, what's our final question?
if you had to fight one, would you rather fight Floyd Mayweather or your entire first period class?
man, my current first period class, right? All right. Rather risk it with my first period than Floyd Mayweather. I think I can take a few out right off the bat.
Is that blood?
Voltaire doesn't have a first period,
I don't, but I got a second period.
but if you have second period of Floyd Mayweather, who
I got a second period, and I'm gonna be honest. They are fresh, man. Fresh.
Yeah, but there's like 30 of them, right?
Fresh, oh, there could be 50 of them. I'm gonna be honest. These little kids are catching these hands any day of the week. They know it. Floyd Mayweather, he's gonna come with a strategy.
Yep.
These freshmen, they're coming at me head on, and I'm not tripping. I get a good spin. I get a good wheel system going. You okay?
Bro, you pig.
These are tears coming
I'm
out.
Irish, man.
Oh, God.
Well, those were great answers. Thank you guys for coming
Thank
in.
you guys
Thank you for
coming
this.
on. Yeah, it's been good.
Don't touch your eyes for probably the next
I know
day.
I have to.
I know.